So here we have the Volkswagen T-Roc on a 21 plate. I'm going to start off by showing you inside the boot, and then we'll hop in and run through some controls on the inside from there. As you can see, we have plenty of boot space along with that 60-40 split folding rear seat should you wish to increase this space even further. Okay, now that we're inside the car, we're going to start with the dials. On the left hand side we have the Rev Counter, and on the right hand side the speedometer and fuel gauge. In the middle you can see the total miles for the car, which is 7,113. Above that, we currently have a digital readout for the speedometer being displayed. We're on the driving data menu at the moment, so various bits of fuel economy and trip computer information available to you up there. But you can also change that information, so you've got an assist systems menu, audio, telephone, vehicle status, and then back round to where we started a moment ago. If we back out to the steering wheel, the buttons I was using just a second ago are over here. We have stereo and phone controls over there as well. Stereo controls continue on the left-hand side along with cruise control. Once you set cruise control, hit this button in the middle. This car is able to maintain its own distance between itself and the car in front, both speeding up and slowing down automatically depending on the car in front's speed. Over in the centre, we then have the touchscreen for the car. So we're on the radio menu at the moment, as you can see. If you press the source button down the bottom, you'll be able to see we have FM and DAB radio. Internet radio as well, and if you want to listen to your own music, you can do that by streaming it wirelessly via Bluetooth audio. You have this My Media setting as well, which is where you're able to make your own playlists of music. You can access all of those same options under the media or radio heading. It's up to you. Pair your phone under the phone icon just there. So hit that and then follow the instructions on screen. Working our way down from that, we then have dual zone climate control. So you can adjust the passenger and driver temperature. You can increase and decrease the fan speed and determine where you'd like the air to be distributed within the car. The air conditioning is on at the moment, so off, back on again, or hit auto. The car will now maintain its own temperature by taking control of the fan speed and the direction of the air. You can override that by making any manual adjustment you wish to. We can also turn off the stop and start. This car is designed to cut out when it's stationary in traffic to save you fuel. That system is now off. You can turn the parking sensors on and off as well. We then have the gear lever for the fully automatic gearbox. All that leaves me to say is thank you for taking the time to watch this video. If you'd like to come and see the car in person and have a test drive, please feel free to call any of our MJA sites. We'd love to hear from you soon.